Last year's revenue capture? Most VBC organizations never find out. Your contract pays based on outcomes, engagement, and documentation quality. Miss any one, you're paid less than the work you already did. Between sessions, your attributed patients are invisible. The ones who disengage generate avoidable ER visits, direct erosion of your shared savings. That's a revenue event, not a clinical one. The Care Team Workbench shows every at-risk patient, risk tier, care gaps, last contact, in one view. blueBriX's AI engagement agents run automated outreach by rule, not by memory. Engagement is the first leak, but revenue leaks continue even when patients stay engaged. The second drain is not in visit, it's in documentation. Your provider documented the complexity. The submitted codes didn't reflect it. HCC coding sets your capitation rate, how much you earn per patient per month. It's not one error. It compounds across every visit, every patient, every year. blueBriX's HCC coding partner agent surfaces complete condition specificity at documentation, not retrospectively. Every suggestion clears the trust engine against your payer's exact HCC model before it touches a claim. Accurate coding fixes what you earn per patient per month. But there's a third leak, one that zeroes out your program-level quality bonus entirely. Your team completed the exams. The results never reached the HEDIS reporting layer. Below 4 stars in Medicare Advantage, the quality bonus is 0, not reduced, 0. Care happened, but your platform couldn't prove it. blueBriX captures quality data as care happens. No abstraction, no retrospective scramble. Closed-loop referral management confirms every outcome. The care gap closure agent handles what's still open. 3 revenue leaks, 1 platform that closes all of them. blueBriX recovers what you've already earned from engagement, coding, and quality in one system. You've already done the clinical work to earn this. The gap is infrastructure, and infrastructure is closable with blueBriX.